Let's now switch gears and move on to matters health. Now, you do know, don't you, that a person suffering from tuberculosis could be arrested for failing to complete the treatment of the deadly disease? Well, that is what happened to Daniel Henry Kipng'etich and Patrick Kipng'etich Kirui. Well, a human rights NGO seeking to promote and protect HIV-related human rights in Kenya is contesting this before the High Court. Kenya says the arrest of TB patients defeats the very purpose of the Ministry of Health to protect the public from persons with infectious diseases. And joining us from our City Center studios is Alan Maleche, the Executive Director of Kenya, with an insight into this case. Alan, thank you very much for joining us this afternoon. Now, this case is already before the court. What can you tell us about it?
So the case is currently before the High Court and it's coming up tomorrow for a full hearing. The case will be before Judge Mumbi Gugi, who will be listening to the case. And in the case, we've got 3 petitioners. The first petitioner is Daniel. The second petitioner is Patrick. And the third petitioner is Kellyn. And they have sued the public health officer who was in Nandi County at that time. They have sued the chief magistrate. They have also sued the attorney general, and they have sued the cabinet secretary in charge of matters relating to health.
Mimi mmoja wapo wale watatu ndio tuliwekwa ndani, wakakuja kunishika, nikapelekwa jela polisi kwanza, alafu tukaenda kotini, wakasema umefungwa miezi 8, umesha taa huko prison. Sasa kufika huko prison, niliteswa huko, nilipigwa kiboko na Patrick, sababu tulikuwa wawili, tukachapwa huko makiboko, tena na mashindano ile tunatungwa, kukapa, iko kukapa huko, tulikapa huko na mashindano. Sasa tulishindwa kumeza hiyo tawa.
There are no isolation facilities in the prisons, because when the prisons were being built, prisons were built for criminals, to rehabilitate people, but they were not constructed bearing in mind that we're going to put patients there.
Nimekuwa nikijiuliza, je, kama TB inaweza shika, tuseme kama mheshimiwa mmoja, we are not sure that if they get infected they will take their medication the right way. Will they also be taken to prison for not taking their medication? Or is it just for the common mwananchi to be taken to prison?